All right, what's going on, guys? This is Young Link Jr. here. So I just want to do a little update of the Young Thug situation. So he's been denying bond actually Wednesday. Well, and it's pretty much unfortunate in this case right now. So one of the reasons why the judge decided to deny his bond, according to my research in a live report, it stated that because of his RICO case, and they was tracking what he was doing as far as leading the Young Slide life gang and the street gang activities, and also too he faced additional 7 new charges, and they believe that he's going to be a flight risk, meaning that he has the ability to leave a country before a trial or a bail hearing. And on top of that too is that he could be a risk and dangerous to society, and also too he can has the ability to potentially you know um, going ahead and commit more felonies. And that's pretty much what the prosecutors was actually talking about. So they were actually just doing their job and just stating that, hey, based on his track record, the Young Thug is not capable of being released anytime soon right now. So now, yes, he can definitely fight this in court with his lawyer, but his attorney, of course, is being about to sign his entertainment lawyer. And one of his statements was stating that, like, hey, well, Young Thug, I mean, he's pretty much the Babe Ruth, comparing him to Babe Ruth of the music industry. I mean, he has people all over the world that supports him. I mean, he's not going to be a flight risk. He's a really good guy. I mean, it's really no amount of evidence that he was a leader of the street gang. We don't know. So, but my thing is to once they raided his home, they found like so many weapons, man. I mean, a sawed off. He was been charged for the possession of sawed off shotgun, semi-automatic weapon, possession of a firearm under commission of a felony. I mean, come on, man. I mean, marijuana, things of that nature. I'm like, so this is just continuously adding up, and it's not looking good. So, and he's been locked up in Fulton County, so they definitely going to throw the book at him. They're definitely going to throw the book at him. So this is going to be done. I mean, completely regardless. So, I mean, it's not looking good because in the state of Georgia, they do not play when it comes to the law. They literally go by book, and he's an African American male. It's going to be very difficult. I don't care your status. They don't care if you're the president of the United States, man. You commit a crime in the state of Georgia, it's very hard to get out, man. You got to have the top lawyers, man, seriously, and win this in court. But I mean, his other people too, they're gonna be indicted as well. I mean, it's not looking good for them. Now until I get any more information, I would love for Law and Crime Network. I'm gonna continuously to shout that YouTube channel out because they do a wonderful job. They still, far as like filming cases, like high profile cases, and I think I got their, that information from Max V. But they actually right now is working very hard the filming Johnny Depp's case. But what Young Thug, getting back into this topic here, Young Thug, man, it's not looking good for him at all. I mean, just really leading to unemployed personnel to go ahead and commit street gang activities, man. So I mean, the RICO is extremely important. It's something that's very serious, and it's gonna be on this record forever. And I believe that it's just the cards are stacked against him right now. It's gonna be very difficult for him to go ahead and reverse this in court. And they trying to do like a bond hearing for him again. I mean, they trying to reverse the decision. Like, hey, at least give him some type of bail that he can get out of jail, out of custody, and then we can fight this later on. But based on to the judge's knowledge and his decision, executive decision to keep him in there, and I don't know what else he can do at this point. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a little bit more videos too about the Carbonation 2 cult leader Elijah Bishop. I'm gonna go ahead. That's gonna be a little separate video too. But with this, man, I think he doesn't have any probable cause. So we'll have to see. But you guys continue to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, man. Let's talk about this too. If you have any more additional information about Young Thug's case, please let me know, and I would love for this to go to court because I really want to see how they gonna do this, man. But the Young Slime Life gang, hey, is crumbling down, and eventually I already knew this is gonna eventually end somehow in some type of way, man. So all this illegal stuff is gonna have to end. So all we have to say, he's been charged for new 7 new felony charges, and yeah, this keeps stacking on him. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Y'all take care. I'm out.